Hi, and welcome to Villain Theory. First of all, as you may have recognized, my first language isn't English, and I apologize if I may be difficult to understand sometimes, but I want to do this little project because I have yet to find others who specialize in talking about the topics I want to talk about. And what is it I want to talk about? Well, as the name of the channel may suggest, it's villains. As I perceive it, we are currently at an interesting point of time, where, on the one side, the portrayal of villains and or antagonists, or fictional characters who are portrayed or read as villainous, is becoming more and more variant, while, on the other side, a certain dynamic develops where people criticize this variance and seem to want villains who are more simplistic and unable to emphasize with. In my opinion, this dynamic connects to a wider development of one, increasing media illiteracy, and second, a culture of Puritanism that understands itself as woke and progressive. I think the best examples of this controversy is found when we examine the reactions to the character of Kylo Ren, or rather Ben Solo, in Star Wars, or to Severus Snape and Draco Malfoy in Harry Potter, or, even though I think it is a less famous character, Catra in Netflix's She-Ra series. On this channel I want to take a closer look on how fictional villains function in stories, what differences are there between certain types of villains. I want to talk about the reception of villains by audiences, in and through which context and hermeneutics we approach them. There will be a video about accusations like having compassion for Kylo Ren makes you an apologist for fascism. I will certainly talk about villains, romance and relationships, and a lot of other topics. I plan on using characters from big movie franchises like the MCU, Star Wars, the DCU, Harry Potter as examples, but also of television series like She-Ra, Cursed or Avatar. And books. At some point I will definitely talk about Jude Duarte and Carden Greenbrier, or other and or older written material. What's left? Maybe the question of who I am. I am a student from Germany. Right now I'm studying theology and philosophy. It's a study program that trains us to become teachers, and in Germany that means that, besides the two subjects I study, I also have to take courses in other disciplines like gender studies and sociology that will prepare me for school and teaching children and adolescents. I also studied German language and literature for several semesters before I changed to philosophy. All in all, the topics I want to talk about on this channel aren't exactly something that arises naturally from the topics of my studies. However, they are adjacent to them or gave me the tools I need to speak competently about villains, about fiction and about narratives. Or they give me the necessary support to research, understand and present the arguments, theories and claims I will make. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. My goal is to upload my first video this month, which will neither be a deep dive into theories nor an assertion of bold claims, but instead a first try of talking about fictional villains, about how they are presented and how they are perceived, by reference to Kylo Ren and General Hux in The Force Awakens. I hope I will see you there, and I definitely wish you all a nice day.